Welcome students. We were studying cubes and cube roots. Now today we will start the properties of cubes of numbers. Now first let us observe the some example. 2 cube, this value is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. Its value is 8. 3 cube, 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3. Its value is 27. Now 4 cube, 4 multiplied 4 multiplied 4. Its value is 64. 5 cube, 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 5. Its value become 125. Now see here 2. 2 is even number and its cube 8. 8 is even number. Here 3 is odd and its cube is 27. 27 is odd. 4 is even number and 4 cube 64. 64 is even. 5 is odd and 5 cube 125. This is odd. So clear? Cube of even number is even. Cube of odd number is odd. Now first property is that cube of even number is even and cube of odd number is odd. Cube of even number is even and cube of odd number is odd. Now second property. So first we observe some example. 2 cube, value of 2 cube is 8. 4 cube, its value become 64. 6 cube, its value become 260. Now here 2, 4, 6. These are the multiples of 2 and its value is 8, 64, 216. Means 8 is divisible by 8, 64 is divisible by 8, 8 is just 64, 216 is divisible by 8. Means second property that cubes of any multiple of 2 is divisible by 8. Second property is cube of any multiple of 2 is divisible by 8. Now third property. Let us observe the some example. 3 cube, its value is 27. 9 cube, its value become 729. 12 cube, its value become 1728. Now here see that 3, 9, 12, these are the multiples of 3 and these number 27, 729, 1728, these are also the multiples of 27. Means all these numbers are divisible by 27. Means cube of any multiples of 3 is divisible by 27. Means third property that if cube of any multiple of 3, 9, 12, 15, all these numbers are called multiples of 3. These numbers, cube of these numbers is also divisible by 27. Now next, fourth property. So first see the example. -1, cube of -1 multiplied -1 multiplied -1, its value become -1. Cube of -2, that value -2 multiplied -2 multiplied -2, its value become -8. Now cube of -3 multiplied -3 multiplied -3, its value become -27. Now see the example that cube of negative number, this is negative, cube of negative number is negative, cube of negative number is negative, means cube of negative number is negative. This is fourth property, cube of negative number is negative. Now fifth property, let us see the example. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, its value 8. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, its value 27. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, its value is 64. Means 2, 3, 4, these are the positive numbers and its cube is positive. 8, 27, 64, all these are positive. Means cube of positive number is positive. Cube of positive number is positive. This is fifth property. Now next, sixth property. Let A and B are two integer. Then A by B whole cube, this value become A cube by B cube first, and second A into B whole cube, that value equal to A cube into B cube. This is the second, means where A and B are two integers. Then A by B cube, A cube by B cube, and AB cube, that is equal to A cube into B cube. Today okay, thank you, have a nice day.